Hi friends, welcome to another episode of Delicacies on the Plate. Today I am going to make cream of mushroom soup. Yes guys, this soup is loved in any season, no matter whether it's winter or summer or rainy. So just go through the ingredients, follow the recipe. This is one easy recipe to make a mushroom soup and I'm sure you will love it. For cream of mushroom soup, take a button mushroom like this and chop it off in fine slices. Now in a heated saucepan, I'll just add around 1 tablespoon of oil, not much. Add around a teaspoon of garlic paste. Now saute for around 30 seconds. Let the flame be medium or low. Don't make it a very high flame. Otherwise garlic will get burned. Then after this add the onions, the chopped onions, finely chopped onions. Again saute till the onion turns translucent. Once the onions are done, add the finely chopped, the thin slices of mushroom. I'll just add all to it. And again saute till the mushroom gets cooked. Add a little bit of salt, so the process will be faster. Once the mushrooms are done, remove it in a plate. Now in the same saucepan, add around a tablespoon of oil and around 2 tablespoons of plain flour. Keep whisking till the raw aroma diminishes. Take care that the flour doesn't get burnt, otherwise your soup would be not white in color. Once the flour is done, add water to it and keep whisking till there are no lumps. And keep whisking till it starts to boil. Salt for taste. Mix it properly. And just half teaspoon of dried basil leaves. I'll just crush it in between my palms. And I'll just add it to it and I'll boil it till the flavor of the basil leaves infuses with the soup. Now once the soup starts to simmer, so I'll just add the mushroom and onions to it. Again I'll just simmer it for around 5 minutes. The soup is ready to serve, and at the last I'll just add some fresh cream to it. 1 heaped tablespoon of fresh cream. Just mix it well. If you have liked the video, click on like and share and subscribe for more delicious recipes on Delicacies on the Plate. And if you want to know more about cooking or is there any kind of recipe you want to know, just tell me and I'll be back with the same recipe at the earliest.